Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by joining the Zoom meeting and making sure you see the participants you want to capture. This matters because layout determines what appears. Once joined, set speaker or gallery view and resize windows or pop out participants if needed. Doing this first saves editing later. Make sure you have permission if required, and confirm your local save folder so the screenshot or recording lands where you can find it. You have two practical options. Use your OS screenshot tool for a single frame capture or record locally in Zoom and extract a frame afterward. The Y is quality and flexibility. If you need many faces, choose gallery layout and increase window size so each tile is larger. Once recording, pause only if you want a precise frame. Otherwise, take an immediate screenshot with PRT-SCN, Shift+CMD+4, or a snipping tool. Then open the image to crop and annotate. You finish by saving the image in PNG or JPEG and using a clear file name so you can find it quickly. This helps when sharing or archiving. Then open a basic editor to crop, tweak exposure, and blur private details before distribution. If something goes wrong, no save, blank image, or poor resolution, check file permissions, available disk space, and that Zoom has screen capture permission. Resetting the window layout or restarting Zoom usually fixes transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.